everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk channel. I'm Anna, and we're really happy you're here with us today.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo. Thanks for joining us. Today's conversation is about something very common and very practical: ordering food at a fast food restaurant.
This is one of those situations where many English learners feel nervous, especially when the place is busy and people are waiting behind them.
That's true. You might understand English, but speaking in the moment can still feel stressful.
So today, we'll show a full, natural conversation, from walking in and looking at the menu to ordering, paying, and getting your food.
And before we begin, if you enjoy calm, real-life English conversations like this, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. It really helps us continue making these videos.
All right, let's get started.
Hi there. Welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, this is actually my first time here, so I'd like to take a moment to look at the menu if that's okay.
Of course. Take your time.
Thanks, I appreciate that. There are a lot of options here. Everything looks good, but I don't want to order something without understanding what comes with it.
That's completely fine. Are you thinking about a combo or just one item?
I think a combo might be easier, but I'm still deciding.
No problem at all. Let me know if you have any questions.
I see burgers, chicken sandwiches, and wraps. I want something filling, but not too heavy.
In that case, a cheeseburger combo is a pretty popular choice.
Can you explain what comes with the combo?
Sure. The combo includes the burger, fries, and a drink.
Okay, that helps. And the price on the menu already includes all of that, right?
Yes, everything in the combo is included.
That definitely makes the decision easier. I'm looking at the cheeseburger. What comes on it?
It comes with a beef patty, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and onions.
I usually don't eat onions. Is it possible to order it without onions?
Absolutely. We can make it without onions.
Great. I'll take the cheeseburger without onions then.
Would you like that as a combo?
Yes, I would.
What size would you like for the side? Small, medium, or large?
A medium sounds right for me.
You can also swap the fries for a side salad if you prefer.
Oh, that's good to know. Is there an extra charge?
Just a small one.
That's fine. I'll go with the side salad instead.
And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a Coke, please, with light ice if that's okay.
Sure, no problem. Would you like regular or Diet Coke?
Regular Coke, please.
All right, regular Coke with light ice.
Perfect, thanks.
Would you like anything else today?
Actually, yes. I'm kind of in the mood for something sweet.
Sure, we have cookies, brownies, and ice cream.
The cookie sounds good. What kind of cookie is it?
It's a chocolate chip cookie. It's baked fresh throughout the day.
That sounds perfect. I'll take one.
All right, I'll add a cookie to your order.
That should be everything.
All right, just to confirm your order. A cheeseburger combo with a side salad, a regular Coke with light ice, and one chocolate chip cookie.
That sounds right.
Is this order for here or to go?
I'll eat here.
Okay, your total comes to $10.45.
I'll pay with my card.
Go ahead and insert or tap your card when you're ready.
All right, it's done.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. We'll call your number when your food is ready.
Thank you very much. Now I can relax and wait. Ordering wasn't as difficult as I expected.
That's usually the case. Once you've done it a few times, it feels natural. Order number 34.
That's mine.
Here you go. Cheeseburger combo with a side salad, regular Coke with light ice, and your cookie.
Everything looks great. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I'm gonna sit down and eat here.
Sounds good.
I'm really glad I took a moment to look at the menu and ask questions.
That's always a smart move, especially when you're ordering in another language.
If you're watching this, remember, you don't need perfect English to order food.
Clear and simple sentences are more than enough.
And it's always okay to ask for changes, like no onions or light ice.
Before we finish, let's remind everyone.
If this conversation helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
We create calm, real-life English conversations to help you feel comfortable speaking.
Try watching again and repeating the phrases out loud.
Practice a little each day, and your confidence will grow.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next conversation.
Goodbye for now, and happy learning.